Hi guys, welcome to another video. So guys, in today's video I will show you guys how I make my very yummy vegetable stew. So this is a very simple and very budget friendly recipe. You can make this stew without breaking the bank. So guys, this stew can be paired with white rice, or you can pair it with white yam, depending on what you want to pair it with. It goes with almost everything. So guys, let's dive right into this video. So guys, for this recipe you'll be needing our crayfish. So I blend my crayfish together with my fresh pepper, as you can see right here. Also using fresh tomatoes. I also blended it. I prepared all my ingredients before I start, so I won't make this video long. That's why I blend all my ingredients. I prepared all my ingredients down. I also have my salt, which I'll be adding to taste. I have my vegetable oil. I make use of power oil, but don't forget this is not a sponsored video. So I have my seasoning cube and also my powder seasoning, which I'll be adding little guys, because my meat stock already have enough seasoning in it. I also have my chopped onion. Chop it to my desired shape. You can also choose to blend your onion. If you don't like your onion chopped, you can blend it. That's also good. And also have my vegetable here. So guys, for the vegetable I'm using fluted pumpkin leaves, and also stewed spinach, also known as a four leaf, and the other one is also known as ugu leaf here in Nigeria. So also I'll be needing my goat meat. This is goat intestine, the meat and the intestine, the liver, everything, the tripe, everything. I have it here, and also the meat stock I'm needing for this particular recipe. So guys, this is pretty all I'll be needing. This is my ingredients already prepared. So guys, let's start cooking. So in a heated pan, I will just add my vegetable oil in a heated pan and allow it to heat for 1 minute or few seconds, depending on how you want it. But I just allow my heat for 1 minute before adding my onion, my chopped onion to it, and I'll just give it a good stir. After adding it, just give it a good stir. So I'll go ahead and add my blended tomatoes. Why I add my tomatoes first is because I want it to dry. I'm going to fry it like this. Just keep stirring it until the water in it dries up a little bit before I go ahead to add other ingredients. If you don't let the tomato water dry up, it ends up having this sour taste, and we don't want that for this particular sauce. So that is why I'll just go ahead and stir it until the water dries up a little bit. When the water dries up a little bit, I'll just go ahead and add my blended crayfish with the pepper, the fresh pepper, and stir it. Just keep stirring it until I'm sure they have mixed well together. Then I go ahead and add my little seasoning. Guys, I added little seasoning because I don't want it to have much seasoning in it. Don't forget, we have seasoning already. We have the seasoning already in our meat stock, so just you have to be very careful when adding seasoning to your sauce, your stew, or your soup. So guys, when you feel the water is all dried up, you go ahead and add your vegetable. That's pumpkin and your spinach. Just add them like this. Guys, one of the reasons I like this sauce so much, because this sauce is very healthy. It's a very healthy recipe. This sauce particularly is healthy, vegetable, it's packed with a lot of nutrients. So if you're making this particular sauce for a vegetarian, you don't need to add beef or the beef or any meat stock. You don't need to add any protein stock. You can just stick to your vegetable. That's if the person happens to be a vegetarian, or the person doesn't like eating meat, you can just, anybody can have this sauce. You understand? Everybody can have the sauce. Both vegans, they can have the sauce. You understand? It's not necessary you have to add any meat to it. You can just do it without adding meat or egg. So for vegetarians who can also consume egg, you can add egg to it. But for the vegans, you can just eat the sauce like this with white rice. Very, 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 very lovely. So you go ahead and cover it and let it simmer for 1 minute. Then you go ahead and just give it a good stir like this. You give it a very good stir before you go ahead and add your salt to taste. Guys, please add salt to taste. Be mindful when you're cooking this particular vegetable stew. Always test it so you don't make mistake by adding too much salt. So add salt to taste, guys. Add salt to taste. So just go ahead and stir it, give it a good stir before we go ahead to add our protein. And don't forget we are using meat organ as our protein for this particular. You can use, like I said before, you can use chicken, whatever you want to use, but I'm using meat organ because I love meat organ so much. And guys, I already added the stock. That is why I'm mindful of the salt content, so don't forget that. So I'll go ahead and add my protein, and I'll go ahead and just stir it, give it a very good stir. Make sure it cooks very well, please. You don't have done already is cooked, but just go ahead and stir it very well so that it tastes together with the sauce. And guys, that is it. Pretty much it. Our sauce is cooked and ready to be consumed by me, of course. And this is it, guys. Very easy, very simple. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this recipe. If you will, please tell me protein you'll be needing for this particular stew. Just let me know the protein you like most. So we just interact in the comment section. Let me know how you like it. Tell me what you prepare with it. Will you prepare this stew with yam, or we pair it with potato, Irish potato, sweet potato, or with rice? Let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Guys, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love you, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.